The all-party meeting ahead of the budget session of the Parliament is underway in New Delhi today. The nation is paying homage to Mahatma Gandhi on his 77th death anniversary and Martyrs' Day ceremony today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has termed a major step towards self-reliance in critical minerals to decisions taken by the Union Cabinet yesterday. Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has said that India will create its foundational model of AI in the coming months. In the Indian Super League, Northeast United FC secured an emphatic 4-1 victory over Hyderabad FC at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium last evening, completing a league double in the ISL 2024-25 season.